our district. Again, our district. Misamis Occidental. Lanao del Norte. Bukidnon. Camino. To officially open today's activity, we thus call in Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Tradio, Regional Director PFP-10, Sir.
To our honored guest, Fire Director Jesus Piedad Fernandez, sir, our Chief BFP, to the dedicated members of the BFP Region 10 Command Group, we have Senior Superintendent Cabot, my Assistant Regional Director for Administration, my Assistant Regional Director for Operation, Senior Superintendent Romel Villafuerte, my Regional Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Chief Fabre, to our committed provincial, district, city, and municipal fire marshals. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good afternoon. In behalf of the Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10, we extend our heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to our Chief BFP for joining us today. Despite the demands of his national responsibilities, he has graciously made time to be with us here in Northern Mindanao. Under his visionary leadership, the Bureau has taken significant strides in modernizing fire safety and prevention. One of the key milestones is the introduction and implementation of the Fire Safety Inspection System, or the FSIS, a forward-thinking initiative that enhances our fire safety enforcement, collection of firewood fees, efficiency, and public service delivery. We are deeply honored by his presence today as we work to further strengthen this initiative and align with the Bureau's transition strategy. Sir, while this may not be your first visit to Region 10, we are always privileged to welcome you back. We hope you continue to enjoy the warm culture and hospitality that our region is proud to offer. To all our officers, personnel, and participants in today's interfacing activity, may this event serve as a valuable platform for learning, collaboration, and innovation that we can take back to our respective unit assignment. Once again, welcome to BFP Region 10, sir. May today's engagement be productive, insightful, and truly inspiring for us all. Because of your 5-point agenda, the BFP Region 10 also is now aligning our program and activities to the fires, the 5-point agenda of the Chief BFP. Thank you very much and good afternoon.
Thank you, sir. For the presentation and the update of FSIS compliance, may I call Fire Chief Inspector Emmanuel C. Ragpalachi, absent BFP 10.
To our honored Chief of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Fire Director Jesus Fernandez, sir. To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent will seat radio, sir. To the regional command group, sirs, to the provincial district fire marshals, sirs, to the men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The Regional Fire Safety Enforcement Division respectfully presents this Fire Safety Inspection System, or FSIS compliance report, highlighting the latest developments in the implementation of the FSIS within this region. This report aims to provide a clear picture of the region's current FSIS compliance status, with full implementation targeted before the end of the year. It underscores our commitment to strengthening fire safety enforcement through the ongoing enhancement of the fire safety inspection system and the continued pursuit of public service excellence throughout Northern Mindanao. To begin, I will present a brief overview of the BFPA Regional Region 10's operational structure through a concept map providing a clear visualization and better understanding of the BFP 10's organizational deployment. The Bureau of Fire Protection Region 10 is composed of strategically deployed personnel across 5 provinces and 1 district in Northern Mindanao. Next. Province of Misamis Occidental, Province of Lanao del Norte, Province of Misamis Oriental, District of Cagayan de Oro, City, Province of Bukidnon, Province of Camino. 41 fire station without MOA. So visually we have 49% fire station without MOA and have 51% fire stations under MOA. Next please. So we will go to the first FSIS compliance in every provinces. So under the province of Lanao del Norte, we have 13 municipalities, 12 municipalities and 1 city. They are all implementing FSIS, 100% compliance. Next please. That's the statistics, no? Next please. The province of Cavite, you have five municipalities and all have implemented the FSIS. Next please. We have the province of Bukidnon. They have 22 municipalities and only three municipalities failed to implement the FSIS. They have 86% compliance. Next please. The province of Misamis Occidental, they have 17 fire stations. Only 5 failed to implement FSIS because they are under MOA with the LGUs. 71% compliance. Next. The municipality of the province of Misamis Oriental, they have they have 11 stations failed to implement, and 14 stations have implemented FSIS. So they have a 56% compliance. Next, Cagayan de Oro City Fire District. They are under their BPLO and OPO is under MOA with the LGU. So as of now, they are in transition. They're monitoring their transition timelines. They continually communicate with the LGUs as interfacing, schedule interfacing with the LGUs. This June 11 regarding their transition plan, regarding the FSIS compliance. So overall, next week. Overall, among 83 cities and municipalities, 83 fire stations, 63 fire stations have implemented FSIS and only 20 who have failed to implement FSIS. So we have region-wide, we have 76% compliance, implementation of FSIS. So the city, we'll go to the city, no? All 9 city fire stations, only 1 have failed, 8 are already implementing FSIS. So they have 89% implementation of FSIS. Next is the next page. Next, please. 70, among the 74 municipalities, 55 were implemented FSIS and only 19 have failed to implement. We have 74% compliance. Next. So that's also for the overview of the fire safety inspection system compliance of this region.